Good morning, everyone. Today I'm just going to do a quick video update before the market closes. And before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment, educational purposes only. I also just started a Patreon Discord group where I'm trying to find like-minded people to share ideas and find the next hottest stock. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. Right now we have about 40 members, so we would love to have you join us. So the market is red is because the 10-year treasury yield has jumped 11 basis points to 1.75%, which is the highest since January 2020. This definitely affects the tech sector. So if you take a look at my day right now, I am only down 0.80%. You take a look at my 1 year, I am up 83% still. All-time high is 83% because I did start this account last year. So I am trying to make $100,000 this year. We still have plenty of time left. So what I like to do is sell cash secure puts. What that is, it's essentially setting a buy limit. So when you set a buy limit, you usually set it below where the stock is trading at. But instead of just waiting for the stock price to hit your buy limit, why not collect extra money while waiting? And so that's what I like to do. It is low risk. You don't have to spend so much time looking at the charts. All you have to pick are a few stocks a week to generate extra income. This is great for part-time traders. Let's just take a look at this stock here, WPG. Take a look at the chart. It's Washington Prime Group. The stock is trading at 284. Okay, this is my strike price, 250. It's a cash secure put. And we know it is selling a cash secure put is because if you look at the amount, it's -1. I was able to receive $40 in premium, guys, just by selling this cash secure puts with a strike price of 250. This is easy money. This expires tomorrow. So if tomorrow at the end of the day, WPG is above 250, my collateral will be released back to me. So you do need the collateral. The collateral is 100 times your strike price. In this case, it's only $250. Only way I would have to buy 100 shares at 250 is if the stock is at 250 or below. Then my brokerage will use my collateral to buy 100 shares at 250. By waiting a week, I was able to receive $40. Let's say I do have to buy 100 shares at 250 if the stock does go down. Well, I collected at $40. Now my break-even price is at $210. So not only did I get a premium, I also got the stock at a discounted price if it went down. This is a 19% return in less than a week because I sold this March 11th. Guys, this is very easy money and you do not need a lot of income in order to place these cash secure puts. I try to help people find these options that have high IVs where you can collect high premiums. We have a lot of SENS. So SENS is at 315. When I sold this cash secure put, the stock was above $3. So let's say you have bought shares above $3. Well, you probably wouldn't have made that much money. Whereas in this case, you would have received a $42 premium while you wait for the stock to reach your strike price, which is 3. So as long as SENS is above 3, at the end of the day on expiration, our collateral is released back to us. And guess what? We still get to keep the $42 in premium. Also, guys, there's another strategy is selling cover calls. If you have 100 shares of the underlying stock, let's say you have 100 shares of BlackBerry, which is what I have, what you can now do is sell cover calls against your shares. and collect a small premium. So I have about 700 shares of BlackBerry, and I sold 2 contracts collecting $12 each on those 2 contracts. Same concept applies, but this time I'm using my shares as collateral. So as long as BlackBerry is below 20, my strike price, then my shares will be released back to me after the expiration dates, which is this Friday. So that is another strategy that you guys can implement. Most of these are printing money for me, even though the market is down. And then we have a lot of Genius, SENS, and then leap calls. I also like leap calls because it's very hard to predict where the stock will be short term. So that's why I like to buy call options that are longer than a year. When I purchased this leap call, it was back in December, and I made $10,000 on this leap calls. So we'll take a look at my stocks here. So not only do I like penny stocks, I like option trading. I like growth stocks, dividend stocks, just about anything to help us make money. We have Nikola, Vaxar, and then we have Sundial. Sundial had their earnings yesterday, and the stock is just up 5.52%. Not much going on here. My average cost is $173. I am still down $167. So selling cover calls on the shares that I do have. We can take a look. 5 contracts. I was able to collect $40. $8 I receive on each contract. And we take a look at the collateral. So 500 shares. Each contract has 100 shares. And then Luquan still down. My average cost is $185. I do plan on selling Luquan at $2 just because they might get delisted in May. So they are no longer going to get delisted this month, but there's still a possibility, and I do not want to take that risk. Position has about $3,000. That is a lot of money, and that is something I'm not willing to take the risk on. So that's it for now. See, guys, I am still only down 0.90%. That's why selling cover calls, selling cash secure puts is the way to go. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you guys have any of these stocks in your portfolio. And do consider joining the Patreon group. We would love to have you join us. I do share my trades on there.
I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.